Today, we are making a refreshing cold udon salad that's perfect for hot summer days. Chewy udon noodles, crisp vegetables, and a nutty, tangy sesame dressing come together beautifully in this easy recipe. Let's get started. Here are today's ingredients. You will need udon noodles, arugula or lettuce, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion or onion, and shrimp. You can also use a cooked chicken instead of a shrimp, and feel free to use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Let's start by making the dressing. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, and half tablespoon of minced garlic. The key ingredient in today's dressing is 1 tablespoon of finely ground sesame seeds. Grinding the sesame seeds gives the dressing a richer, nuttier flavor and a smoother texture. Mix everything together until well combined. Now let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Slice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Slice the red onion. If we are using large shrimp, cut them in half so they are easier to eat. Today I'm using frozen udon noodles. Add the frozen noodles directly to boiling water. Once they loosen up, cook for about 2 more minutes. Rinse the cooked noodles well under cold or ice water. This makes them chewier and keeps them nice and cold. Drain the noodles thoroughly. In the same pot of boiling water, cook the shrimp for about 1 minute. As soon as the shrimp turn pink, remove them from the water. Overcooked shrimp can become tough. Now let's put everything together. Start with a layer of arugula. Add the chilled udon noodles. Arrange the vegetables and shrimp on top. Drizzle the sesame dressing generously over everything. Gently toss everything together just before serving. Let's give it a try. The bright lemon and nutty sesame dressing pair perfectly with the chewy udon noodles. It's fresh, light, and absolutely delicious. This cold udon salad is perfect for hot summer days. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. What would you add to your cold udon salad? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.